Hi everyone, I thought I would just share with you what I'm doing today, and as you can see all of the boys are sat here watching Mummy do her work, aren't you? So here is Bingles and King Louie, hello, and of course, yes, everybody knows you. So what I'm doing at the moment, I have bought some empty tea bags and I have just put them in some tea and let them sit, and I'm just drying them out. So as you can see, look, I have all of these tea bags and I'll be using these in some projects, so I thought this would be a very fun clip for you to see how my boys actually sit and watch what Mummy's doing, don't you? Very handsome boys they are. Are you handsome? Are you handsome? Yes, you are. Right, it's just a very short clip and I'll show you what I do with these tea bags when I use them. So, bye from the Pussycat. Say bye, Charles. What's up? Yes, I shall see you all very soon. Take care, bye. Right, so who can tell that it's actually lunchtime? They are all looking... Oh, don't you steal my chicken. Look at the naughty boys wanting some of Mummy's tea. Lewis, Charlie, naughty Charlie, and Bingles. Bing. They're after my chicken. Who's after my chicken? Hilarious. Just hilarious.